Okay, today we have the final product as you receive it in the mail of the Wizard. So I thought I might as well get the enjoyment of unboxing a fresh one like you guys are going to. So here we go. Knife. All right, so in the box, we have our nice card. Let you know to this really handsome gentleman with his beard here, and he tells you how to follow the socials and stuff like that. So we've got that. Ooh, look at this. What's in here? We have some extremely fancy zip ties like you saw when we did the install that space it up 2 inches for that one wiring harness. So those are bougie. Pile of zip ties. The killer sticker, of course. Of course, we've got to have that. And then this is basically a kit contents so you can double check if we did our job properly when packing. And then you got this beautiful dice bag you can reuse when you have your D&D game nights. And there we go. You get a pack of hardware, a lot of really nice cap screws. And then we have the 4 billet machine, tin plated Wizard pieces. Look at that. That's beautiful. I don't know. You can stick that under my tree. Now, as usual, in order for you to get your instructions, we're trying to save some trees and make sure you have the most updated instructions. So you're just going to scan the QR code and it'll take you right to the latest instructions. And trust me, I'm pretty sure they're shorter than the Crow ones. So just to round out this video, we're going to bring my Jeep in, show you where they install so that you have a better reference point. We'll make sure to highlight them some way in a video so you can see them, because sometimes they kind of fade into the background, but they do a job that is amazing. So let's go take a look under the hood. All right, here we've got my Jeep in here. We've opened the hood. You see a fairly clean 2024 2-liter turbo motor. Now, these will work on all engine options, so you don't have to worry if you don't have the same thing I have. But here we've got all my wiring all nicely cleaned up. As you can see, here's the main battery one. It's in here. So it's gonna go right there, or this way. Allows you to fit everything nicely there. Your negative, it's right here. So you can see I've mounted it there. It's in the right spot it needs to utilize the smart alternator, and we have the winch attached to this side. We've got the winch over here. Also, I have attached is the switch center, the switch pros I have in, which is mounted on the other side there. I have the Kraken mounted here. I have a fridge port for the back wired all to this. And then we've got our little extra ground port, so we can go right to the body ground here. This is really good for dealing with your aux switches. So here, my aux switches I have the ground for my, what looks like the Kraken, the ground for my rock lights, and the ground for my fridge port are all here, neat and clean, out of the way. It just makes cleaning up your wiring much nicer, and it just, you have a good secure connection. And when you open the hood, it doesn't scare children.